In this short video I'm going to show you how you can create a quick present for a friend or whatever using sea drift glass you can find on the beach. If you're lucky and you live close to the beach, you can just saw around and select glass, like we have been selecting glass for a while. So that's our treasure, kind of. You're gonna need a frame. And I'm using that frame. We're not gonna use the glass in the frame, we're gonna take that out later. We need some glue which dries out clear. And you need somewhere to actually glue the artwork onto. And I'm gonna use like 300 GSM paper, which is quite really thick. And you can as well choose an art pen or maybe even some sketch pens to do like your design. So I'm going to create a little jellyfish art design using glass. The glass here.